Hello everyone, and welcome to the fall session of Math 252. I'm your instructor, Professor Michael Brown, and starting Monday morning we will be hitting the ground running. We have Zoom lectures that are going to be live every Monday, Wednesday morning at 8 o'clock. The lectures will be between an hour and 2 hours long. You do not have to attend the lectures because they will be recorded and they will be put on Canvas. However, after each lecture there will be office hours, so if you attend the lecture then it will be much easier because you'll attend the office hours. Now, many of you have been in my classes before, both Calc 1 and Calc 2, and the structure of this course is going to be very similar except for the fact that it's completely online. The way I do things is I lecture and then I give you quizzes after the fact. I give exams way after the fact and in similar format. So I want to walk you through right now how to go through Canvas.
Okay, I'm on the dashboard right now, so I select our class and I get the home page that you will see. There's a long and very, very interesting bio of your professor here. So I'm going to go to Student View so you'll be able to see what you're going to see. Now from here, everything we do in this course is going to be located under modules over here on the left-hand side. So when I select modules, you'll see notes. I already have some sets of pre-written notes. The videos, namely the videos that I make outside of class, plus the live Zoom lectures, the quizzes that will be posted, exams, and then all of the keys as well will be posted here. Everything we do in this course will be put on modules pretty much on a daily basis, so you want to check here first. Now the notes and the videos will always be posted ahead of time as well as the quizzes. The Zoom lectures will be posted after the fact because it takes a little time to prepare and load those things. Now, I'm assuming everybody here has printed and read the syllabus. So I want to go to the schedule here. We will never deviate from this schedule. This is every lecture and all the material on a daily basis. Now, there are several different textbooks probably being used in this course, so I put it by topic, not by section number. We will not deviate from this. Now, Monday is the first lecture, and notice here a week from Monday is the first quiz. So the first quiz will be based on the first lecture, the second quiz on the second lecture, and so on. And so in the end, there will be 25 lectures and therefore 25 quizzes. Now on this date, you notice the two little slashes. That means that's the end of the material that will be on the first test. So the first test will be over 7 lectures, and you will have taken 7 quizzes at that point. Also on this day, I will be posting a practice test and key on Canvas to help get you ready. Now, we have an odd calendar this fall in that we have 2 holidays. We have Labor Day on the 7th of September, and we have Veterans Day on the 11th of November, both of these occurring in the first 13 weeks. Well, that's 2 lost classes, and then Thanksgiving week occurs after the 14th week of class, and then we get right into final exams. So as a result, I'm going to be giving 2 Friday exams, both the first exam and the second exam. So I'm going to go down here to the schedule. The first exam is going to be Friday, September 18th. The second exam is going to be Friday, October 16th. Now, as a result, we'll get back those 2 classes, but more importantly, it means we get to finish all of the course content and all of the exams before we have our week off for Thanksgiving. So then after Thanksgiving, all that is left is review and final. This gives everybody an added week to prepare for the final with no additional information. In the past, this has worked out very effectively, and I think you will all appreciate that in the future. So the first 14 weeks, we'll have 3 exams, we'll have 25 lectures, and then the last 2 quizzes will be due after Thanksgiving week.
Now the first quiz will already be posted before the first class, and therefore you have 7 days to complete that and turn it in, and then it will follow. I generally put work up way ahead of time because I want to give everybody in the class the opportunity to work faster than I'm going if they choose to, because there's going to be days when you get slowed down. Now the way it will work for the quizzes is you will go to Canvas, you will open up the quiz, print the quiz, do the quiz on a separate piece of paper, take a picture, and then send it back to me. Now, the most effective way to send it is using what's called the Fast Scanner app. It's a free app that you can put on your cell phone, and it works beautifully. Many of you have already used it. What you do is you take a picture. If there's more than one page, you take more than one picture, and then you send everything as one PDF. I know it will handle at least 10 pictures at one time. So when we get to the first exam and there's several pages, you can take many pictures and you only have to send one PDF. The only thing I ask of you is that you use good light, white paper, black ink, so I can read everything you're sending to me. Now, on a regular basis, you can be communicating with me, preferably through email. Now, if you email me through Canvas, it's nice. I will get a notification saying there is an email in Canvas somewhere. I will never actually see it. Canvas is a one-way communication from me to you, not the other way around. All emails should be sent to my email address, which is not only on the syllabus, but it's also on the home page as well. So communicate with me that way, and you can also ask questions during the office hours. On a regular basis, I'm expecting communication. And since this is Calc 3, a great many of you have already had physics, so a lot of you have already got a lot of experience with vectors. Some of you are a little bit worried because you haven't had physics yet. Don't worry, I'm teaching this course in the first month or so where we do pure vector stuff. I'm teaching this as if you've never seen a vector in your life, and so after about a month, everybody's going to be roughly in the same place. This is a course that generally is very high-end because you guys have made it this far. I don't worry about the work ethic and everything else. So as we go over things in class, I expect constant communication and the interaction. I look forward to seeing everybody Monday morning at 8 o'clock, and have a wonderful weekend until then.